That is it. Nice, just like that. See that? Nice. Check in again, my beautiful people, man. Welcome back to another video. So here we are going. The breadfruit that I picked in the previous video, seeing all of the breadfruits never turned one time, and I didn't want to bother roasting breadfruit at two separate times. So in Western Jamaica we have a little trick. I don't know how much out in the world know this, or how much out in Jamaica know this. So when you have a breadfruit that is turned and you want to preserve it for a later date for roast it, we all know that you can roast the breadfruit, peel it, freeze it and all of that, but how do you preserve unroasted breadfruit for some days, or how do you slow down the ripening process of this? Say you keep an event and you want the breadfruit them roast freshly at the day of the event. Today is Thursday and the event is Friday. How do you preserve these until Saturday when your event, and today is Thursday? Well, I'm sure no. I did it last night because I think 3 or 2 of the breadfruit them turn, and I didn't want them to ripe by this morning. So now everything is ready for roast. Right, everything is ready now. So see what I'm going on? I just use this to keep them submerged. You can use anything. See, these were already turned from yesterday. So one more already turned from yesterday. Yeah, all of what's in the water. What, 4 of them? Oh, so much. They turn from yesterday. That is it. All you have to do is keep them submerged in water, and that slow down the ripening process. Anyways, we had a bit of rain yesterday as well, so right now I'm going to jump in at the bush and see if we can find some nice dry fire stick to come blaze up this fire, because all of these breadfruit have to be roasted today, no later than today. Seeing, and then I'm gonna clean them, peel them, cut them up, slice them up nice and lovely, and preserve them in my fridge until they're ready to be shipped off. So big up on yourself, stay tuned, and I'm not sure now what I go on in this one. So enough love. Alright people, so it is about that time when I'm going to try to make an attempt to get this fire started. I know this is going to be a bit of a challenge. I have nothing much right now that is flammable in terms of kerosene oil, or maybe a little gas would have done me well right now. So old trick in the book, I just have a piece of napkin with a little bit of cooking oil, and yeah man, kind of cut up some little bram. Only Jamaicans we know what that means. Yeah man, the smaller pieces them are bram. So hopefully that will be enough to get this fire kick start. Once we get it started and the stick them warm up, it is no problem maintaining the fire, but getting it started right now is the problem. Yeah man, just a come out of the bush man, the bush kind of work me away, because majority of the fire stick them I take up, they're not fully dried, as in the branches have just been broken what day since we had Hurricane Beryl, and yeah, they ain't really fully dried, so I had to take up a lot and then throw them back down because they're not ready to be burnt out fully. But hopefully right now we can get it started with what I have here. So promising. I keep my fingers crossed because I don't want to be out here whole day with this thing. It's cheaper right now. I just go to the gas station, get a little bit of gasoline, and kickstart this thing the real way. So, let me see what I go on. Alright, so people, the dry sticks that I put in the center kind of help to kickstart this thing. Hopefully, it can get the bigger fire stick them ignite. Once those are ignite, I'm good. So yeah, in the meantime I'll start lay out my breadfruit. That is it. Yeah man, that's how we do it a country man. We just make a little X to release some of the steam that's in the breadfruit and it roasts faster. In I think at Trinidad I see them cut the breadfruit in half and roast it. Breadfruit are well turned, people. Well turned. Yeah man, serious piece of fire blazing out right now. Nice, just like that. See that? You know, not more than that. Everything I come from here today, whether I like it or not. Alright. 3 left. And then I go up on there, people. Oh, that one is supposed to be nice. It's so soft. I could have chopped it. I have a little slice to mash it tonight. Everything I roasted today. That is it. Nice piece of fire on it, man. I don't think no fire in there. Fire in there. Well, stay tuned. I'll give you an update look from this. Go and sit down and count my blessing and now. Big up on yourself. And we have roast this for maybe about this breadfruit has been here on the fire maybe about 15-20 minutes. Just like that, man. You know, and nothing more than that. You see, since I have tucked the fire stick up to the center of the fire starts blazing again. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that for maybe about a next 30 minutes and then good. I'm not attempting to roast this breadfruit on high flames. Seeing me I work with heat, so you will have this breadfruit roast and a section of it not look too charred, but believe me, the roast. Country people know how to roast breadfruit. Yeah, and when I roast breadfruit make them burn. Because you can burn up breadfruit. As much as how I roast breadfruit roast, it is a thing. Breadfruit can burn up. So that's the way I do. And I just build up a fire and throw breadfruit in it. And I just so. We work off a weight, or some people will stick a knife in the middle and see how the knife comes out. If the knife comes out dry, then the breadfruit is roasted. If your knife comes out wet, that means there is still moisture in your breadfruit and you need to put it back on the fire. And how you know when the breadfruit burn? When you start peeling it and you realize that you have to be cutting the skin deeper towards the edible part of the breadfruit. Seeing? Yeah, because most of the fruity part on the inside that is close to the skin has been toast. So you have to know where I do. Yeah man, fire red. Right now they want to turn again, but I'm gonna put on the camera and turn them and maybe move the ones that are lower higher and the higher ones lower, so that everything can be roasted at the same time. You get me? Yeah man, that's how we do it in Jamaica. Take a good look again, people. Yeah, see that? Yeah man, people, grand finale, you know. Right now it's getting a bit overcast. I'm not sure if the camera is actually picking up the sky at the moment, but yeah man, it's getting a bit overcast. Anyway, I am on the grand finale right now. See there, everything has been nicely roasted, and here I am thinking I need more fire stick, but watch out, I still have more than half of what I brought from the bush to roast these breadfruit. So I'm just letting them soak a bit. No high flame, just heat. Yeah man, so within the next 5 minutes I'm gonna take them out, bring them inside and let them cool off a bit. Then me just peel them, remove the heart and slice this up nicely. I've already purchased some nice Ziploc bags, so I'm gonna be adding them in some Ziploc bags before placing them in the freezer to get them freeze or frozen. Yeah man, don't know where badness come down, man. So Mary Maca, here they come. Yeah man, don't know where badness come down. See that? And look from this, I also will be walking to the river to get a nice river bath today. It's been some days now since I've last go to a river, and I know you can't stay away from the river too long, so the river in the evening is coming up. So big up on yourself, thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned to catch the river part of the video. Big up on yourself.